Glam Bag Plus unboxing. For those of you guys who aren't aware, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a maker subscription. It's monthly. There are 3 different tiers. You got your normal Ipsy, you got your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then you got the third one I can't think of, which isn't actually monthly, it's more quarterly now. But anyways, so big differences between Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy Glam Bag, you get generally sample size, sometimes full size, but they can't guarantee you full size. That's kind of more of a bonus if you get a full size product. But anyways, you get 5 sample size products. Excuse me, I'm drinking tea and I just burped. Anyways, and I believe you only get to pick 1 item in your Ipsy Glam Bag. In Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size products and you get to pick 3 of your items and they pick 2 of them. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into April. Now, because you get to pick your products, I will say this month I was not thrilled with what options I was given, and this happens every now and then, and maybe it's just an off month, I don't know. This will be when editing me puts in those preview pictures. But anyways, let's go ahead and look at this month's theme, which is Keep Growing, and it does have cute little daisies on the bag. I will say the bag's pretty cute, not gonna lie. I've started using them for Adventure Time, which is the word I use for a WALK, with the pupper. So I can kind of like coordinate them to my outfit depending on how cute I want to look. But here you go. I love this. It says inside the card, 3 ways to upcycle your glam bags. Love this. Tidy your tech. No more searching for a charger at the bottom of your bag. Store cables, USB drives, batteries, and battery packs in a glam bag to keep your tech needs neatly within reach. Or a mini emergency prep. It says pack a glam bag with small medical must-haves, a couple of bandages with Neosporin and extra dose medications, feminine hygiene products for when those minor emergencies hit. Or pay it forward. Donate bags filled with unused grooming basics to homeless shelters or self-care essentials to women's centers and nonprofits. I love this. I love this so much. Like, good for you, Ipsy. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I might remember what I picked, but I probably don't. I think I picked this one. This is the Ahava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. I've gotten Ahava products before. I always love them. I do generally like a good mud mask this time of year, and I think I might have actually gotten this specific one in a FabFitFun a couple years ago. Like I said, I was not thrilled with some of the preview options I got in the different categories. So this is probably why I chose this one for this category. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Next off, the next product is, okay, I can't believe I did this either, but this tells you how the categories were looking this month. I actually voluntarily chose a eyeliner. So this is I can't tell if it's HIP or HP, but it is the Liquid and Kohl liner in Midnight Black. You'll have to apologize. I need to apologize. You don't have anything to apologize for. Roxy knows it's a Bark Box Day. Yeah, and she knows that's what we're filming next, and she can't wait. But anyways, I'm actually somehow finally running out of liquid liner after Ipsy sending them like just so often to me back when we couldn't choose our products. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It is a double-ended one. One is a Kohl and one is a just traditional liquid. I do like the brush on the liquid side. It is pretty fine. I will say the black isn't maybe as vibrant or dark as I would normally like it on the liquid side, but I'll show you my swatch in a minute. And then the Kohl, it looks like it glides on easily, so I'll give it that, but otherwise nothing to write home about. But yeah, so you can kind of tell this is the liquid. The brush is very petite. I guess I could show you guys that. It's very petite, but that'll be very good for doing kind of that detail work. So I like this so far. We'll have to see how it, matches up with my current favorite. Moving on, we have the Act and Acre plant-based dry shampoo. So this is what that looks like in the box. I don't use dry shampoos often, but I do. I usually use them on vacations, I feel like. Because I try not to wash my hair every day, but we're getting into the time of year where I'm gonna get close to doing it again because it gets hot here in Texas and I get sweaty and my hair gets gross real quick. And it also comes with a coupon for a free restorative hair mask. Cool. And actually, if you guys want the discount code for a free hair mask, it's Ipsy Love. So paying it forward, just like Ipsy told me to. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Oh, this is weird. It says Our cold process method eliminates heat. Okay, I totally thought this was gonna be a powder, but maybe it's not. Okay, it's definitely like a squeeze bottle. We're gonna see what happens. I might oh, no, it is a powder. I don't, I'll see if I can replay that. That was weird, man. But yeah, anyway, let me continue reading what was on the back of the bottle. It says, our cold process method eliminates heat to preserve the integrity of our ingredients, suitable for all hair types. A mineral-rich dry shampoo formulated with rice and tapioca powder that gently detoxifies your hair from excess oil and dirt, providing essential nutrients to support healthy, voluminous hair. It's the shake well before using, focusing at the roots, spray 6 inches away to dry hair and brush through. Massage into scalp for perfectly cleansed hair. So this is very white and I have very dark hair. So I'll try to use this within the next month and let you guys know next month what I think about it. I'm a little worried that it might be just too white and it might be really obvious that I use dry shampoo. Why do I feel like I have 6 products in here? I might have 6 products in here and I don't really know why. But we're just gonna go with it. Moving on, I believe this is a product that was chosen for me. It is the Misho Beauty Blush Palette. I don't use blushes a whole lot. I use them even less in the summer because in the summer I'm about just like as natural a foundation look as I can get, because the less I put on, the less I sweat off and the less it makes my face angry, because humidity, especially Texas humidity, really gives me acne. But we'll go ahead and take a look at this blush palette, which there are some fun colors on there. Oh, sorry, ring light. JK. Maybe I should take off the little protective thingy. Okay, take a look at that now. Anyways, so there's some fun colors. I don't know how I feel about that bright pink. I will go ahead and give this a swatch, so 1 minute. Okay, so I will say most of those colors, blah, 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 blah. My allergies are really affecting how I talk. But most of those colors are, yeah, they're definitely outside my comfort zone. But comfort zones were meant to be broken or some nonsense like that. Moving on, I'm just gonna take a look at my last 2 products. I don't know if I chose this next product. I'm a little confused right now. I don't know why I have 6 products. This next one is Kenzie, and I think it might be a perfume. It is a perfume. Okay. Does it say anything on the box about it? Do not spray into eyes. Cool. Okay. Well, I got a Kenzie perfume. We'll go ahead and give that a good sniff. That was dumb. But it smells good. And I like a good perfume. So, honestly, I would pick a perfume. That is very on brand for me. I'm just trying to figure out what I didn't pick. And now I'm wondering if I didn't pick the mask. But we will see, because I know for sure this is something I think they picked for me. So this is the Kimchi Chic Puff Puff Pass Set and Bake Powder, which I do need a new powder or setting powder. So we'll go ahead and give this a try. I am trying to get it out of the box so I can give you guys a closer look at what it looks like. So 1 minute as I struggle. Yeah, I got that perfume like straight up my nose. So that was cool. It smells good at least. I'll give it that. Oh, God, it comes with cute little like tissue paper it's wrapped in. And there's, how cute is this packaging, man? Oh, and this is a good size setting powder. Look at that. Does it come with its own puff? It does. It comes with its own cute little puff. Very cute. I'll definitely have to play around with that. And my light just went off, so 1 minute. Anyways, while I fix the light, I will start talking about the next section of my video, which I believe is, I don't know why, I know what the next section of my video is, believe it or not. Oh, maybe. Okay, well, anyways, this next section of my video is when I talk about the products I got from my last month's Ipsy, now that I've had a chance to use them, and talk about, would I buy these, like, not an Ipsy? Because right now, typically, Ipsy products, like, they're like $5 to $6 per item in your box. So it's a really good deal if you're interested in trying out new products. But the question is, would I actually buy this full price? Most of the time, it's no. Not gonna lie, spoiler alert. But let's talk about them. So the first product that I got last month was this Soul Clean Probiotic Balancing Cleanser. I've been using this as my morning cleanser. I like it. It does leave my skin feeling maybe a little dry on those colder days where the air's been a little bit drier, but I think this is going to be very helpful going into summer where we get very, very humid here in Texas. So overall, I like it. It's approved. Moving on, we have the Clarity Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. I liked it. Good. Again, similar thing. Sometimes it left my skin maybe just a little bit too dry in combination with some of the other skin products I was using on those kind of lower humidity days. But I am definitely looking forward to using this come summer when the humidity is awful. Moving on, this Alley-Oop brush. So this is a 4-in-1 brush that has, it had, you know, your little beauty blender attachment. It kind of has I use this for a couple different things, as you can tell. I ended up playing around with it for blush, for bronzer, for contouring. The only part of this brush I didn't use was this little detail guy because I hate little detail brushes most of the time. So I'll talk about this part by part. The beauty blender, I hated. It was way too small for me. It took way too long to get my product on. So I used this only like twice and said, I'm done. I need to go back to my normal beauty blender. This, not bad. Not mad about. This I kind of liked because how fluffy it was because I could use it to apply, but it was also kind of good blending. So that's nice. And then, yeah, like I said, I didn't use the detail brush at all. So would I buy this again? No. But am I mad about it? Also no. Moving on, I got this mascara, the Cella Good Drama in Mascara Black. I will be honest, I only tried this once, and that was today because I was making sure to use a good waterproof mascara because this is not waterproof. I will say, first impressions, it is very good at separation. You're not going to get a lot of like chunky, which is really good. It's really good at lengthening. So far, first impressions are good. And then lastly, we have the Gerard Cosmetics Liquid Lippie in Hydra Matte. It's not in Hydra Matte, it's in the shade 1995, which is what I'm currently wearing on my lips today. And again, I have only worn this one so far. First impressions though, it's definitely a little bit on the drier side, not gonna lie. I did do like a exfoliating lip scrub before this that kind of leaves a good layer of that paraffin wax on your lips. So in combination with this, maybe it's a little less dry than it normally would be, but I will say she cute. I will say there's definitely a bit of transfer on my tea. Oh, there you go. Hufflepuff. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's definitely some liquid lip transfer. But overall, not mad. It's a cute shade. I like it. Anyways, we'll wrap this video up. If you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider doing all the things that make YouTube more likely to suggest my video. I was going to say to subscribe my video. You could also subscribe, but if you liked my video, please consider doing all the things that make YouTube more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day.